So the way this needs to be is, and imagine this is coming up out of the closet. So the gas is going to come in here, and the gas has to change directions. If this is vertical, then the sediment is going to drop into the sediment trap. So we don't have any particles going into any of the gas fittings, which could cause a major problem. And with gas, you don't want major problems, if you know what I mean. So this is going to come out of the closet, change direction, go straight into the regulator. And then we're going to come up, and we're going to go up into the gas furnace with a flexible hose.